been waiting for this one. Almost finished. What is this thing? 69 Charger? It looks like it. Wait for it. Yes, this is our beautiful 69 Charger Daytona. Almost done. Look at those graphics. Absolutely love them. And get around the other side of the pole here. There's our big tall wing. Flush mount back glass. And let's move down here. This is a Hemi orange, one owner car. Is that absolutely beautiful? Look at the tires. We went with a 50 series on the back. The owner wanted some big meats on it, so we put big meats on it. Pretty much stock with a mild camshaft engine. Sounds really nice. Got the original correct carburetor. We got that from Tony's Mopar Parts. Had Scott Smith up at Harms rebuild it for us. Got a 2998 956 radiator. Oh, no, not on this one we don't. We got a 2949 I was thinking of our 70 Challenger back there. My bad, my bad. Get back away from this thing so we can see something. Look at that. So you guys recall this from a few seasons ago. Tony D'Agostino was out and we were looking at this car deciding if we wanted to restore it or not, and obviously we made the decision that we would restore it. And so now it just has a few items left on it. We're looking to be done Monday or Tuesday of next week. We got an alignment appointment on Monday, so in the meantime we'll bleed the brakes and top off all the fluid levels. Take a look inside. It's a little dirty right now because we're just finishing it up, but there's a rag on the seat. Black bucket seats, console shift, rally steering wheel. Beautiful job from our friends at Instrument Specialties on that dash. Oops, see if I can get in there and get you a better shot. Tick-tock tack, AM radio. Now, let's see if our turn signal indicators are working. Look at that. Okay, maybe one's not. That's why it's not done, folks. That's why it's not done. That's okay. Now the coolest part. Let's pop those headlights up. See if they're working. There they go. Isn't that gorgeous? So stay tuned. This season on Graveyard Cars, starting in February, you'll get to see this beautiful car done. We'll finish dotting our I's and crossing our T's and take you all for a ride in it. In fact, next week I'm going to take you guys for a ride in this car.